Hey, good morning everybody. Welcome to the Rambler channel. I'm Alan the Rambler. I'm still up here in beautiful Montana, but because it's Memorial Day weekend, I figure I'm gonna race on back to Denver to see my family for a little bit. So I am getting on the road a little bit later, so I'm gonna try this trick, see how it works out. I guess you could like teleport slash time travel. Who knew? Let's see how this works. So the teleport worked. It messed up a little coming out. They were working on the wormholes, so I had to bounce off a nebula. Oh, I'm dizzy. I hear milk helps, so I'm trying to find some. Sorry. I try and find some milk and sleep it off. It seemed like it only took a couple seconds, but it's been like 13 hours. Well. I'm gonna go get some milk and try and sleep this off, and I'll hit you guys up tomorrow morning. Hey, good morning guys. So the milk helped, sleeping helped. I think I just had a couple settings wrong on the teleportation pad, so we might give it another shot. We'll see. I'm out here in Colorado. Came out to kind of work up my projects will happen here in the future. So we've got it kind of framed up, and I've got a loft up here for mostly storage is going to be up there, and then I'll have some workspace down here. I kind of originally wanted to put a big door right here, but then I realized that would just lead to me putting excessively large projects in here or using it for storage and then not having room to work. So we just got a little kind of a bigger door to get some projects in, and then there will be the man. Eventually we got to get that cut out. So today I'm just going to be putting in outlet boxes and stuff for wiring and light switches, and hopefully try and get some windows put in upstairs. These big round windows that we're going to be installing, so it'll let in a lot of natural light. I mean, you can see how bright it is in here, and there is no lights in here right now, so we'll be able to let in a lot of natural light, and that way I won't have to use extra power just for the lights. So that's going to be today's project, and I'll touch base with you guys from time to time as I get some more stuff done on it. So actually now day 3, of this video. Yesterday we got quite a bit of rain and wind. We did some work inside the shop. As you can see, I'm in here right now. So got some door panels put together. This is one piece. There's one here and one here. Just our clamps weren't big enough to do the whole thing all together. So we're going to put all three of these pieces together, get some trim put on them, and then they're going in this doorway right here that we hung plastic in to try and keep, well, some of the water out. So hopefully we can get that finished today before I have to leave and head back to my real job. And I'm also trying to get all the outlet boxes put in today as well, so we can try and get some wires pulled and things like that. And then whenever I'm able to come back, I don't know, it'll probably be July, try and get some stairs put up in here and get better access up to the loft. Because right now we're just using ladders, which isn't really great. So try and get that up there. So hopefully not too much longer and we'll have the shop all put together, and it'll be a good place to come and do some projects as I get some time off, or, you know, for my family to work in or whatever here out at the farm. So once again, battling the wind, sorry. I've got this boat sitting here that's doesn't have an engine. But I'm wondering if I took that fuel tank and moved it maybe over there or something. Could I modify this to be a jet boat? That project might be coming soon. Let's see if I can get some video, if I can get that done. Right now I'm looking for like a donor jet ski or something to take apart, get the jet drive out, get the engine out, put it all in there. The engine off, it took everything else out too, so it's been pretty good. May not even be worth it. I just think it'd make like a cool little jet boat. It's about a 16.5 footer, so shouldn't need too much power to drive it, but it could be a fun little boat. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Well, we've got the door all glued together. It's I guess about 6 feet tall and a little over 4.5 feet wide, so pretty big door. And it's all 2x, so it's a pretty heavy duty door. And we're gonna glue some bracing similar to this across it, make it look like a barn door, so it kind of, you know, matches the look of the shop. But so that's kind of all the time I have today to be working on this. I gotta get some other things done while I'm here in Colorado, and then early tomorrow morning head back to Montana. So thanks again for joining me on this trip, guys. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe and share with all your friends and family. See you next time.